Hello, this video is all about how you will going to log in this Cisco NETACAD course. How you will now log in to Cisco NETACAD. First, in Google, you will type www.cisnetacad.com. So you can see Cisco Networking Academy builds IT skills education. Alright? So after you log in using that account, you can see login, and then from login, you may now click the redeem seat token. Click that one. Then, since you are all new, kindly click on I am new in Networking Academy. But since I have a Networking Academy login, I will going to click this one. And then, you will type in your email. My email address that I use in this account is this one. Okay. And then, you need to place or write the C token. This is my token. Then I will now log in. And then I will now click submit. Okay. So, your request completed successfully. So now, I'll check out my login. So, I will log in using my name, my email, then I will type in my password. Okay, thank you for listening.